Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix personal hotspot not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First solution you have, while this time you have personal hotspot is not working, first solution you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 90 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. Then the second solution you have reset personal hotspot password. So then you have, while using hotspot personal, so then you have change the password of you have while using this this time of any time. So you have personal hotspot, change the password. So then third solution you have update iOS latest version. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update iOS latest version available on your iPhone. So you have installed on your iPhone. Then fourth solution you have reset network settings. So you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer reset, then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting on your iPhone. Then other solution you have try other hotspot connecting mode. Personal hotspot can be connected via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or USB. Try another one if one of the connection mode does not working. This usually work to fix the personal hotspot connection issue. For instance, if you share your personal hotspot with iPad via Bluetooth, try to switch it is to USB connection. Then another solution you have change your iPhone name. Other devices will not connect to your iPhone hotspots if you accidentally connect to your iPhone to a different Wi-Fi network. To resolve this network naming conflictions, you can change your iPhone name for setting. Then hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.